Hi boys and girls, welcome to math. And this week we're going to be learning about positional words, positional language. Words like on top, on the bottom, on the side, and left and right, things like that. And we're going to begin by reading a book today called What is on Top? And then afterwards, for our assignment, we're going to draw a picture. Are you ready? Here we go. Some things are on top. Some things are on the bottom. Can you answer these questions about positions? Brooke is making snacks. First she gets crackers. Then she puts cheese on them. Then she puts olives on them. What is on top? What's on top in this picture? Is it cheese? Is it the cracker? No, it's the olive. And what's on the bottom? It looks like it's the cracker, right? Yeah. Riley is building a tower. First, she puts down orange blocks. Then she adds green and blue blocks. Then she adds red blocks. Which blocks are on the bottom? Where's the bottom? Up here? No, down here. So it looks like I see orange blocks on the bottom. Very good. Kayla and her parents are driving. They see a red light. The lights are red, yellow, and green. What light is in the middle? As we see up here, here's the top, and that's red. Here's the green one, that's on the bottom. So what light is in the middle? Looks like yellow, right? Yeah, yellow's right here, here's the middle. The school day has started. The students sit at their table. The teacher stands by the whiteboard. Who is in front of the room? Who's in front of the room? Looks like the teacher, right? Yeah. The family is camping. Julia climbs on her dad's back. See it right there. Oliver puts on his boots. Who is outside the tent? Is it the mom, the dad, Julia, or Oliver? Looks like Oliver, right? He's outside the tent. All right, thank you for reading that book with me. Now our assignment is to draw a picture. I'd like you to draw 3 different blocks. And the blocks are going to be red, green, and blue. And I'd like you to put the red one on top, the green one in the middle, and the blue one on the bottom. The red on top, the green in the middle, and the blue one on the bottom. And take a picture of that, upload it, and thank you for joining me today for math.